Hello and welcome. I'm going to show you how you can create more content for your Perplexity PLR. Now, what I've done is I have uploaded all of the video transcripts from the Essentials course here into notebook.lm. And what you'll see inside your notebook is that you now have what's called interactive mode. And if I click this button, what you can do is you can start the conversation and then you can interact with the host. And I'm going to show you that here in this video. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start the conversation, and then at some point, I'm going to click join.
All right, everyone, get ready because today we are going deep on Perplexity AI.
Uh-huh. Great.
So you can become a Perplexity power user.
Awesome.
So what's really cool about Perplexity
Well,
is it's like this.
oh, hey there. What's up?
You mentioned that Perplexity has a free version. Does that mean that there's also a paid version?
Yes, that's right.
We were actually planning on talking about that later, but we can address it now.
Yeah, so like with a lot of these AI tools, there's a free version and a paid version.
The free version gives you a taste, and paid, more pro version gives you a lot more access.
I'll give you access when you send me your receipt to the advanced version, and then you can have your own access to this notebook and you can create your own kinds of content. And if you already have the Essentials version, you'll notice that I've added in both an audio checklist and an audio mind map that I created with Notebook LM. But you can create your own with access to my notebook. Now I've added in all of the transcripts, but there are two additional documents that I've added that are not visible that will help you to create better content than if all you did was to add in the transcripts as I have done here. So you'll get access to my notebook with those two additional documents that I've uploaded, and you'll be basically using the notebook, new content on Perplexity. So with that, thanks, and that is your Friday bonus for today.